building that protein, your muscle mass through protein and strength workouts is going to increase your metabolism, which helps you eat more and refuel your body. 30 to 40 grams of fiber a day, really important as we age. And that's leafy green vegetables, fruits like apples, blueberries. One of the things that blueberries are so good, and what's so beautiful in Canada is the blueberries we get here. They're fantastic. But frozen blueberries, wild-caught frozen blueberries, are just as good. You want to be eating quite a lot of those, and apples to give you that extra fiber. And of course, leafy green vegetables, broccolis, squash, sweet potato, things like that, they increase the fiber. 2 liters of water a day, really essential. I know that can be difficult for us in North America in the wintertime, but you want about 2 liters of water a day. I find if I have a glass of water or my drink bottle on the desk, it reminds me to drink water. Really important actually for releasing toxins from the body too.